Using the laws of logarithms, solve log base 3 of 32 minus 12x is equal to 2 log base 3 of 1 minus x plus 3. So first thing I am going to do is to move the logarithms together to be on the same side of the equation. So I'm going to subtract the log base 3 of the 2 log base 3 of 1 minus x from both sides. Next thing I want to do is, in order for me to combine these two logarithms together, I can't have that coefficient there. So I need to take that 2 and I'm going to move it to be a power on top of the 1 minus x. Now we have both of these logarithms with a coefficient of 1. I can use the subtraction law, so which means I'm going to combine those two logarithms together with the insides being divided. Now I've got the logarithm as the subject, I can remove the logarithm by doing 3 to the power of 3 in this case. So I can say that 32 minus 12x over 1 minus x all squared is equal to the base, which was 3, to the power, which is 3. 3 cubed is 27. I'm now going to multiply both sides by that 1 minus x all squared to get rid of this fraction. And next we're going to expand these brackets. So we've got the 1 squared minus 2x plus x squared. And now each of those terms is going to get multiplied by 27. So 27 times 1, 27 times the minus 2x, and 27 times the x squared. And now we're going to make this equation, this quadratic equation, equal 0. So I'm going to subtract 32 from both sides. And I'm going to add 12x to both sides. So the 27x squared remains untouched. The minus 54x plus the 12x becomes minus 42x. And the 27 minus the 32 is minus 5. And now we can solve that quadratic equation. We can just use our calculator for this. We weren't told in this question that we couldn't use our calculator. So I'm going to get my two solutions to this quadratic as either minus 1 over 11 or 5 over 3. Now we need to check both of those in the original equation. So not minus 1 over 11, that should be minus 1 over 9. Misread my calculator there. So yes, we're going to check both of those in the original expression. Now I can substitute the minus 1 over 9 in here easily, because that's going to turn into a positive, and the 32 plus the positive number will be positive. The minus 1/9 will be positive as well. So the minus 1 over 9 is fine. But the 5 over 3, if I substituted that in there, 1 minus 5 over 3 is a negative number. So therefore that cannot be an answer, and the minus 1/9 is the only answer for that equation.